So yeah, for this, I want to alert some poultry farmers. There's some poultry farmers who would want to start big, then they don't have enough capital. So on this project that I'm doing right now, with these chickens you are seeing here, I'm assured that anyone who's got a passion to start poultry farming can start with a small number. And with this project that I'm having, I just want to show to those poultry farmers who doubt themselves, like, no, I've got a small space, I don't have enough money. I want to demonstrate with these chickens to say you can grow a small number into a bigger number. You know, don't be deceived when you see somebody doing big numbers. You don't know where they came from. You don't know how much they've invested. So sometimes maybe you have small investments, the amount of money that you have, you want to pump in into poultry farming. What I'm telling you is, yeah, with broilers, I do broiler chickens. I pump in a lot of money in broilers because even for them, it's easy for me to take out because when you look at broilers, they grow in 6 weeks, sometimes 5 weeks. You sell out, you get your money back. But when you don't have enough money, especially with the feed, which is expensive now, you don't have enough money to start investing. What I would advise you is start with local chickens, learn the basics. When the chickens starts giving you chicks, brood them. If you want, you can brood them with a mother hen, but reign as much as possible. If the passion is real, and if it's not just about the money, because most of these guys, they'll say, I have passion for poultry farming, but it's because they've heard that there's income, which is good. And it's not a lie. There's a good income when you're keeping chickens, especially broilers. Money comes fast. With layers, you need to wait for 6 months, then you start getting the income. So with local chickens, you have to wait for them to start producing for you to have money back. So with these chickens that I have right here, I want to demonstrate to anybody who is giving excuses to say, I need to start with a bigger number. I can't lie to you. I would have started with a bigger number because I have that opportunity and I have enough income to start with a bigger number. But for the sake of people who follow me and for the sake of the people that I'm teaching and for the sake of those who have passion but they don't have enough money, I want to demonstrate to them that they can start small and grow to a bigger number. What I'll tell you is, surround yourself with people who will encourage you that when you start small, you can grow big. Because even a tree, it starts as small, then it starts to grow. Let me tell you one thing that you need to know. It's not about the money, but it's about what mindset are you having. The moment your mindset changes about business, because poultry farming is a business, when your mind starts to change how business is run, definitely, I can't lie to you, you will grow. You don't need a lot of capital. The most important capital that you need in business is knowledge, the whereabouts. You need to find out, how do we keep these chickens? How do we feed these chickens so that they can reach a productive state at the right time and accurately? So don't be cheated to say, no, you need to start big, start with 500 chickens. No, 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 no. So on these videos, on these this project that I'm having, I want to prove to those who say, I want to start big. I'm telling you and encouraging you that start wherever you are so that you start growing your business and you are gaining experience as the business starts to grow. So as the market, you'll be able to see that, oh, market is there. Then you're able to grow to a bigger number whereby you can supply the market that is needed, because demand of local chickens is there. We have a lot of people who want fast money, so they keep broilers. So sometimes you find, like, even me, I have challenges when it comes to marketing my chickens, because the market sometimes is crowded with a lot of chickens. But with local chickens, there are a few chickens out there and the price is a little bit high. So sometimes it's not just you keeping chickens. Sometimes you have to diversify your investments. I keep broilers. I have broilers, but I have to diversify, keep local chickens and keep layers so that I can have money both ways. Because you can't put eggs in one basket. You need to put them in different baskets. So that's the main intent of this project. So make sure, guys, start wherever you are.